Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be sharing with you guys how you can get high quality stock images, but before diving into the video, please click on the subscribe button, put on the notification bell to get notified when I upload new video and like to support the channel growth.
Earlier, I'll be sharing with you guys the easy way you can use in getting quality stock image for your designs. So in this video, I'll be using an app called Pinterest. I'll be putting the link to download the app in the video description in case you don't know about Pinterest before. So now to the app. So this is the interface of the app. Once you open the app, this is the interface you will be having. So all you just have to do is to click on the search you click on the search icon here. You click on that search icon. So once you click on the search icon, you'll be having this new interface. Then you click into the search bar. Then you search for free stock image. Free stock images. So as you can see now, these are some free stock images. You can see. Once you click on one image, you get more paint ideas under that image. So you can see just from a free picker Pinterest page. So you can see you will get more paints idea from this. I also like this. So once you like any of the stock image you see, so all you just have to do is to click on this. You click on these three dots. That three dots. So once you click on the three dots, you click on these three dots. So once you click on the three dots, you'll be having this new drop down menu. So you can see we have copy link, download image, hide pin, report pin. So all you just have to do is to click on download image. Then the image will be automatically saved to your gallery. So that's just how you can download any stock image from your Pinterest app. So in case you want more stock image that look exactly like this one, you just click on this. You click on this lens icon. You click on that lens icon. So once you click on the lens icon like this, so you get a more stock image looking exactly like that one or something similar to that stock image. As you can see, we have more stock image looking exactly the exactly image of that woman, but in another position. You can see. So you can see we have some other similar stock image similar to that. So that is just how you can use your Pinterest and getting a free stock image. You can see, and the quality, it has a high standard resolution. So you can simply use your Pinterest in getting quality stock image. So let's say you need a stock image with something. Let's say you can see I just make some research a few minutes ago. Stock lady in white. So I need a stock image of whether a man, a lady. I want a particular color of the clothes. So I can just search. So let's try this stock lady in white. So you can see. We have a stock lady. We have stock ladies image in white. So I use a particular image. Then let me get the image. So once I click on that image, I also get some other stock image under that image. You can see these are stock image under the image. You can see this is another lady in white. So that is just how you can use your Pinterest app and getting quality and high standard resolution stock image. So after you've gotten your you've gotten your stock image from here. You can simply use your photo room app in removing the background of the stock image without the quality of the image being reduced. So if you are new to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment and share across to other graphics design friends so that they can also achieve from this video. Thanks for watching.